you have Epson L3150 printer and your printer is printing black and color is not printing, you can see if your Epson printer is not printing well, black is like you can see it's not, quality is not well and color is not printing at all. How to fix this problem? Just watch this video. Simply you have to open control panel and then printers and devices, all control panel item, device and printers. You have to right click on your printer icon over here and then go to printing preferences. And then guys you have to click on maintenance tab and then you will find over here power cleaning process. You have to click on power cleaning process and it will consume about, you have to press next first and then check these two options. Nothing is there and Intel will not allow us. Press next and then press start. Okay, this process will consume around 5 to 7 minutes and meanwhile you can see in the printer power light started flashing and you can hear the voice, it's kind of cleaning. Right after complete the process, we will check the results. The process has been completed now. We will click on finish and press OK. Then I will give now print test page again, properties, print test page. Okay. Now we will see the print quality. This was the old one that is not printing at all. And now you can see color is printing fine and black is also okay. Okay, you go guys, you can see the difference. There was no color before here, now it's printing color. And second thing, black is also fine. Hope you understand the method. This method you can use on all Epson models. This model was 3150. Thank you for watching, all the best.